Hello students, today we discuss the another chapter that is environmental issues and all. It is another very important chapter related to NEET examination. Here, what type of these different types of the pollutions related to this one? Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, like different types of radioactive rays and all these regarding related to how it must be controlling and all. What is the pollution? Undesirable change, either A means air pollution. Undesirable change in water means water pollution. Undesirable change into the related to sound means noise pollution. Undesirable change into the land pollution as well as soil pollution and all. In this one, who will be causes that pollution? Pollutant causes to the pollution and all. Then another very important in environmental that protection act EPA and all. Environmental Protection Act in 1986. Environmental Protection Act 1986. There must be 10 different types of these pollutions and all. It must be ready to take the precautions related to how to control different types of the pollutions and all. In that one, the first subtopic, air pollution and its control and all. So what is the pollutants which causes this one? But any type of pollutants, it will be present either primary pollutants, secondary pollutants, then biodegradable pollutants, undegradable pollutants and all. Degradable pollutants, it may not any harmful effect of this one. Automatically degradable to the soil, degradable to the water, or it react with another chemicals related to the air and all. There is nothing problem. Undegradable, that such type of the pollutants like related to DDT as well as BHC, non-biodegradable pollutants and all. So benzene hexachloride as well as deoxy that related to DDT, tetrachloride. This specific type of this one non-degradable pollutants and all. It may be causes highly poisonous regarding to that one. Then primary pollutants like carbon monoxide and related to nitrogen oxides, related to air and all, sulfur oxides and all. It combined with another chemicals, suppose sulfur oxide, sulfur trioxide, sulfur dioxide, it combined with the water, it may be causes to the acidic rains and all. Then related to carbon monoxide, highly poisonous one. If it combined with another oxygen, carbon dioxide, nothing problem and all. Then it must be combined with any another or only carbon monoxide itself only it is present, that is more dangerous and all. Then apart from this one, peroxyacetyl nitrate. So more dangerous and harmful effect in secondary pollutant, air pollutant, peroxyacetyl nitrate as well as O3. So these are the secondary pollutants and all. Then coming to in these air pollutants, there are two types of air pollutants, that is gaseous pollutants as well as particulate pollutants and all. Gaseous pollutant means like a sulfur, like a carbon, like a nitrogen. These are gaseous pollutant and all. So that particulate pollutants, when it represents as these particulate pollutants according to Central Pollution Control Board. So according to Central Pollution Control Board, the particulate pollutant size 2.5 micrometer. 2.5 micrometer and all. Then size, the less than 2.5 micrometer and all. The diameter less than 2.5. So the size, whenever it is present 2.5 micrometer, then it represents as this one particulate one. More probably thermal plants as well as the smelters and other industries like the cement industry, mining industry, such type of these one particulate pollutants will be present and all. Very more dangerous rather than gases and gases means immediately it combined with another chemicals and all. Except carbon monoxide is a more poisonous one. It combined with the hemoglobin, it may be causes carboxyhemoglobin. Then these particulate pollutants, if it affect on this respiratory system, especially irritation, inflammation, then it may be causes to the premature death of that particular organisms and all, related to human being as well as animals and all. Particulate pollutants only, it may be causes more harmful effect. Even though gases also, like sulfur dioxide, it is also causes maximum effect regarding related to the plants as well as in animals, different types of these metabolic activities and all. In this one, in this specific type of this one, how it must be controllable and all, how it must be removable, such type of the particulate pollutant, that is important exam point of view. How it must be controlled, how it must be removal before discharge to the environmental and all. These particulate pollutants, that is the electrostatic precipitators, that is electrostatic precipitators. In these electrostatic precipitators, normally here it will be present into this one that electron wires are present. In that electron wires are several thousands of electrical volts. In electron, these the wires are present. In this wires, these are the dust particles. If it is a discharge, if it is emission along with these electrical wires and all, it is several thousands of electrical volts are present. Thousands of volts. These electrical wires and all. But it discharge related to corona. That this corona related to emitted to the electrodes and all. So whatever particulate pollutants, it combine with that electrodes and all, then it will be charged and all. Then it converts into the charged particles. In that charged particles, that grounded plates. These are charged particles, the grounded plates, it deposited. Whenever grounded plates, whenever it applies on the grounded plates and automatically it will be disintegrate, it will be destroyed, it will be absorbed. It must be absorbed on that grounded plates and then the purified air, it must be comes out. So very simple exam point of view, which instrument used to controlling of that particulate pollutants, that electrostatic precipitators, through that electrode charging particles whenever deposited on grounded plates and all, then it must be purified and all. Then similarly, gaseous pollutants, how it must be controlled, gaseous pollutants in industries, normally observe thermo plants, such type of these, more probably that air pollution means like automobiles, maximum. Other than this one, industries, as well as smelters, different types of these thermo, regarding related to thermal plants, power plants, everything it will be present and all. Then how it must be control of this one, gases, pollutants and all, with the help of this scrubber. Gases, pollutants, by applying of the maximum dust particle, discharging of this, that emission, in that discharging of the emission, regarding related to, in that lime, respectable of the lime spray, it is present in either lime as well as that water spray, related to water spray, either lime or water spray, if it is present towards this one, if it is applied on this S1, then here purified air, it must be emitted and all. Then is there any particulate pollutants are present? It must be present lower part. That particulate matter, it enter the bottom of the scrubber and all. Remaining with the help of the lime as well as the water spray, everything dust particle are related to gases polluted. It must be purified. Pure air only, it must be liberated. Very simple, gases polluted, especially in factories, then it must be controllable for purifying air and all, that related to the scrubbers and all. Then electrostatic precipitator, it must be helpful to purifying of this one particulate pollutants and all. That is most important related to these particulate as well as gases, pollutants regarding related to that particular aspects and all. Then what is the major role regarding related to these gases, pollutants and all? Related to automobiles. Automobiles act as a crucial role and all. That automobiles by using of cars, by using of buses, by using of different types of vehicles, then these automobiles act as a major role for air pollution and all. In these automobiles, whatever releasing of maximum type of this air pollution and all, then it may be leads, it may be causes maximum air as well as this one gases pollutant as well as little amount of particulate also, maximum air pollutant, that means gases pollutants, it may be leads and all. So in these automobiles, normally if it is used, if it is utilized, what type of things if it is utilized, then only it may be causes the maximum harmful effect, non-leaded petrol as well as diesel and all. If you use non-leaded petrol or diesel or unleaded, non-leaded or unleaded petrol or diesel, if we use it in the automobiles and all, then it may be causes, then it may be leads, less pollutants, it must be emitted and all. If we use the leaded petrol as well as that such type of the diesel and all, then it may be harmful effect. It may not burn completely. Why? Because unburned hydrocarbons may not be purified regarding related to by using of unleaded petrol, unleaded diesel and all. So that's why what we use such type of the automobiles, normally it must be used catalytic converters and all. Normally it must be used catalytic converters. In these catalytic converters, normally it must be present that heavy metals. Catalytic converters, it must be already framed into the vehicles and all. It must be present heavy metals and all, like platinum, palladium, rhodium and all. Like platinum, palladium, rhodium, such type of heavy metals, it must be present and all. Whenever it is present heavy metals and all, automatically it purified, that is unburned hydrocarbons and all. It purified unburned, that is partially burning of hydrocarbons. It must be purified with the help of catalytic converters with the presence of these specific metals and all. Partially burning of hydrocarbons, it converts into carbon dioxide as well as water molecule and all. The partially burning of hydrocarbons, it converts with the help of catalytic converters and all to convert into carbon dioxide as well as water, or carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide converts into carbon dioxide as well as nitrogen gases and all. Carbon monoxide as well as nitrogen oxides, it converts carbon dioxide as well as nitrogen gases and all. That much very crucial, that much very vital role which takes place, which influence regarding related to catalytic converters. So before emission in that dust part, before emission of unburned, partially burning of hydrocarbons along with the catalytic converters, then it absorbs and it converts carbon dioxide as well as water or carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide into the carbon dioxide, nitrogen gases. Like that, it must be removal and all. Suppose if we use leaded containing of petrol, leaded containing of diesel, then it inhibits the platinum, palladium, rhodium catalytic converters are inhibited. Whenever leaded containing of leaded containing of diesel, petrol, if you use it, then automatically these catalytic converters are inhibited, unable to converted, unable to change. That's why it may be causes maximum poisonous gases emitted one. But here, not only this one, whatever useful gases which are present in atmosphere like oxygen, nitrogen, such type of useful gases also, while mixing of poisonous pollutants, it is also converted as a poisonous fuel. So that much harmful effect normally it is present into the atmosphere and all. That's why while using any type of automobiles and all, in catalytic converters act as a crucial role to bind such type of these gases, pollutants and all. So, but in our country, maximum role related to by using of automobiles. So here, how to control air pollution, how to control the air pollution and all. To control air pollution prevention, air pollution controlling act and all. So in 1981, Air Pollution Controlling Act, Air Pollution Preventing Controlling Act 1981 and all. But it must be amended 1987 along with why? Because while moving of the vehicles, not only gases as well as apart from certain amount of the sound also it emitted and all. So in 1987 along with air pollution they amended, noise pollution also included. So 1987 noise pollution. Along with it is air pollution, that Prevention Act. Along with air pollution, Noise Pollution Prevention Act, it will become under 1987. While using such certain type of these factories, as well as by using of major cities and this by using of automobiles, their maximum sound, it make a sound horns and it is a bigger sound, or in by taking of jet planes, all these were, it may be causes maximum sound waves and all. That means more than 150 decibel sound whenever if you heard, normally by taking off or by starting of jet plane, all these one, it comes under beginning 150 decibel sound. Whenever we heard such type of noise and it must destroy our eardrum. Or if you continuously hearing such type of this sound, even the normal sound, continuously hearing and it may be causes permanent loss of hearing and all. So that is very harmful effect and all. So more than 150 decibel sound. Then it may be maximum. So this noise pollution not only destroying of eardrum, apart from this one, it is also causes to the sleeplessness. It is also causes as well as stressful, sleeplessness and improper regarding related to breathing and all. So altered breathing and all. Altered breathing, then high rate of the heartbeat and all. So increase the so these are the symptoms. Whomever continuously hearing of the sound, maximum sound waves and even though normal sound continuously in cities or by using of the crackers or such type of any type of the factories or crushing stones are undesirable. Whenever if you heard undesirable, that such type of this sound, more than 100 decibels and then it may be leads all these possibilities and all. So to overcome this one, it must implemented free from that sound, that is free from noise and all. That is that regarding related to wherever schools, there is no making much noises, making they may not give permission any type of the loudspeakers as well as much horns in near school area as well as hospital area. That is, it must be controllable, such type of the noise pollution and all. Then how to control the air pollution? To control the air pollution, here they have given case study of the Delhi and all. Case study of Delhi. How to control of this one? So 1990, among the 41, the major air polluted countries, So Delhi occupies as the fourth place and so that much maximum. How much maximum means in Delhi? So national capital territory in one specific area, in that specific Delhi area only. So both Gujarat as well as West Bengal, whatever the number of vehicles, whatever the number of cars are there, in Delhi itself, it must be doubling, more than the double the number and so imagine how much maximum pollution it ready to imitate to the atmospheric nature, atmospheric and not only that one, at present situation also, the similar that pollution is going on it continuously and but it will be reduced when you compare to the earlier years and then the government they have given that particular steps and related to by using of CNG and that is most important. What is the specific alternated instead of the fossil fuels and instead of the petrol, diesel and there is a CNG gas. By the end of 2002, why? Because 1990 it becomes more maximum number of people they must be utilized these cars and because of that one, which is the alternative, which is the remedy that the government it must be proposed, it must be implemented in that city by the end of 2002. The complete vehicles of Delhi, that is national capital territory, that is CNG. What is it by CNG? Compressed natural gas. It is odorless, it is unpolluted, much efficiency and compressed natural gas consisted about methane, ethane, propane. But maximum combustion efficiency, it must be present in that CNG gas and but what is the difficulty in that specific compressed natural gas and one and only by constructing, by transporting, by from one area to another area, by applying of these pipelines, it is very difficult from one area to another area. That's why any alternative technique, our government they implemented alternative technique that is Euro norms or Euro stage and Euro stage 2 and or it is equivalent to the Bharat stage. That according to Euro norms and this regarding related to this that Bharat stage, this Bharat stage 2 and according to Bharat stage 2, whatever regarding related to petrol, diesel and they reduce the sulfur content and how much reduction in the year 2002? In the year 2002, they reduce the sulfur containing of these fossil fuels and how much means related to in petrol it is related to 350 parts per million, whereas diesel 150 parts per million. That reduction of the sulfur pollutant of this specific type of the fossil fuel. These 350 parts per million in sulfur content of the fossil fuel related to the sulfur. That reduction while emission reduction of that to pollutant. Why? Because it may be causes very harmful effect to the atmospheric conditions and in 2002 instead of this one they may implement to the Euro norms or Euro stage. It is also implemented here. So whenever it reaches, why? Because not only that one, after 2002 they are also increasing the number of the polluted cities and there are 11 cities they identified in our government. What are the 11 cities which are maximum polluted cities and that is Ahmedabad as well as Agra, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Surat, Punjab, then Kolkata, as well as Kanpur, like 11 cities, easily remembering, like Ahmedabad, related to Ahmedabad, as well as Agra, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Surat, Punjab, Kolkata, Kanpur, these 11 cities. In these 11 cities, they implemented Euro 2 norms in the year April 1, 2005 and all. In this one, they implemented 2002 only. Euro 2 norms, these 11 cities, they implemented 2002 itself only. They implemented 2002 in the Euro norms. But remaining, rest of the countries, rest of the states. So in our country, rest of the states, that April 1st in 2005, they implemented Euro 2 or Bharat Stage 2. Rest of the cities. Rest of the cities in our country. But in 2005, April 1st, in these 11 cities, they implemented 2002 only. But in 2005, they implemented remaining. Whatever rest of these cities which are present in our country, they implemented and all. Then, related to, in April 2005, in 11 cities, they implemented that Euro or Bharat Stage 3 and all. They implemented Bharat. The date is important. When Euro 3 norms or Bharat Stage 3 norms implemented, the 11 cities which are majorly regarding related to pollution and all because of using of maximum number of automobiles. That's why what our government said, if it is a near distance, instead of own vehicle, you must go by walking and all, or bicycle and all, or using of government vehicle, buses, or Volvo, or related to trains and all, instead of own vehicle and all. As much as possible to reduce using of these vehicles and all. Then regarding related to rest of this one, still reduction of the sulfur and all. In this Euro 3 stage, it will be present that 50 parts per million, both petrol and diesel and all. In that stage, the sulfur content reduced 50 parts per million and all. But in that Euro 2 stage, how much aerobic hydrocarbons, the percentage will present 42%. Related to Euro 3, the hydrocarbons, aerobic hydrocarbon percentage, it reduced 32%. That is important. Euro 2, the aerobic hydrocarbons, it may be present in 42%. Whereas Euro 3 norms, whenever they implemented aerobic hydrocarbon percentage, it must be reduced up to 32%. Even though the petrol, diesel, whenever reduce the sulfur content, that is the 50 parts per million and all. Then related to in that 1st April in 2010 they implemented Euro 4 norms or that Bharat Stage 4. Here, according to this also, same, 50 parts per million, same only it implemented. But in this year, rest of the cities, they implemented into the 3. So, 2002, 11 cities, Euro 2. Rest of the cities, there is no implementation. The implementation of other than 11 cities, 2005, Euro 2 norms. In 2010, Euro 3 norms related to other than 11 cities. But 2010, all 11 polluted cities, they implemented Euro 4 norms and all. Then, actually, they implemented Euro 5 and 6 also. According to latest current situation and all, very purified that specific type of this respectable of fossil fuel related to Euro 5 as well as 6 and all. Actually, they implemented in the year 2020 and all. Instead of this one, our government, they implemented Bharat Stage 5 and 6. In this one, in the month of April 1st, in 2018, that Euro 6 or Bharat Stage 6 and all. Here, 10 parts per million, both petrol as well as diesel and all. So, highly purified fuel. Whenever they give question, which is represent highly purified fuel, either birth stage 2, birth stage 3, birth stage 4, birth stage 6, 5 and 6, similarly equivalent only. Birth stage 6, highly purified fuel and all, without maximum emission of harmful poisonous gases and all. Why? Because if it is emitted, again peroxyacetyl nitrate, or sometimes maybe it may be causes, if it is without to interfere with another, it must be present only carbon monoxide, maximum disturbance of growth and development of the living organisms in our different types of the ecosystem and all. That's why. But actually it implement 2020, but a little bit more pollution. That's why instead of 2020, 2018 only implemented. But according to textbook, they have given up to Euro 3 norms. But for the sake of understanding purpose, Euro 4, Euro 5 and 6, also here we are discussing and all. Then which specific year the National Capital Territory, NCT, the National Capital Territory, maximum carbon dioxide as well as sulfur dioxide, such type of pollutants are maximum, it must be reduced and all. In that 1997 to 2005. in the year 1997 as well as 2005, in National Capital Territory in the Delhi, maximum reduction of sulfur as well as carbon, that means carbon dioxide, as well as sulfur dioxide. Maximally, it must be reduced and all in this specific period of time and all. So, what regarding related to air pollution, maximum air pollution it causes to by using of automobiles as well as the smelters, as well as that different types of the industries, that crushing stones or thermal plants, not only gases, particulate matter also it must be present by using of vehicles, automobiles. But you must use any type of automobile more than 15 years. Do not use, do not continue. Why? Because such type of the catalytic converters, their activity, their whatever the functioning, it must be degradable, it must be destroyable. That's why more than 15 years, is there any vehicle if you use, then maximum pollution, maximum emission, maximum poisonous gases, unburned hydrocarbons, maximally it will be releases to the atmosphere. It may be causes major atmospheric pollution and all. Okay, remaining we'll discuss in next class and all. Okay.